Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoe. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. I missed y'all for sure, man. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram page, Jared the Ones, in case I don't post on YouTube or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram or follow me on TikTok, all that down below in the description. But y'all ain't hearing me talk about my social media and all that stuff, man. Y'all here for these Nike Dunk Lows, ain't y'all? The Georgetown? Okay. So today, I got our own feet for y'all and an in-hand review of the shoe. In my personal opinion, it looks way better in person. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like the colorway of them. It's about, you know what I'm saying, first impression of the shoe, you know what I'm saying? The colorway, super dope, you know what I'm saying? It's a solid colorway, good wear with a lot of stuff, you know what I'm saying? Very versatile shoe. You know what I'm saying? Plus, we're gonna have our own feet of the shoe, man. So, hey, I'm super excited, man. Like I said, I missed y'all for sure, man. So, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, man. Without further ado, man, let's go and get to the video, man. Nike Dunk Lows, Georgetown came out yesterday on the sneakers app. Comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all won, took an L. Of course, you know me, haven't won on sneakers app. I don't know how long. Haven't won a shoe on sneakers app. And about the last time I won on the sneakers app, to be honest, was the UNC ones. That was the last time I won on the sneakers app, and that was a long time ago, man. So hopefully I get a win on these next releases. You know what I'm saying? But like I said yesterday, on the sneakers app, these Nike Dunk Low Georgetown came out, you know what I'm saying? I mean, the hype wasn't really big on this Nike Dunk Low, to be honest, because, like I said, this colorway solid, but it's not a colorway that people be like, oh, I need that. But me, I'm starting going towards the, like, just lows, period. Like, Nike Dunk Lows, Jordan 1 lows. I'm into that wave a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Because lows look better on my feet some way, somehow. I'm like, okay, lows. So I just been getting the lows like this. I've been getting lows like this, like it's nothing, bro. Like, it's crazy. I want some more Nike Dunk Lows. I just want them. So the best part about getting Nike Dunk Lows, I can say this, getting it for retail. Even though retail sometimes be over like $100, you know what I'm saying? That's but at the same time, you want to be smart with your money and all that good stuff, man. But retail is $100, by the way, in case y'all wonder like how much retail for these Nike Dunk Lows. It is $100. So think about it. So quick flip, you get $100 on top of that. So it's a pro to con on both sides. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm the buyer. You know what I'm saying? But you reselling it, you like, okay, cool. But like I said beforehand, it's cool to get Nike Dunks for retail. You know what I'm saying? That's the best part about just getting any shoe, period. But for sure with the Nike Dunks, I believe, like, it's just crazy how they be flipping, or the SBs be going crazy flips for sure, man. But retail was $100. But y'all ain't here for me talk about, you know what I'm saying, how much it costs, all that good stuff. Y'all here to look at the shoe, right? Okay, I got y'all. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Here they go. Every Nike Dunk gonna come in this. You know what I'm saying? You center red, you know what I'm saying? White and red Nike box. Nothing too crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? So personal, I got my personal size. And plus. Y'all listening. They're coming out on Foot Locker app. So after this video, I'm gonna make another video talking about how to cop this shoe on the Foot Locker app. So I'm gonna get back to how to cops and all that good stuff, man. But sometimes you gotta take a break sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Get your mind right. Get your mind right. But let's go and get this. Oh, I gotta read it to y'all. My bad. Almost forgot something. I gotta read it to y'all. My fault. Boy, lacking already, man. So it says Nike Dunk Low Retro, Wolf Gray, Dark, Obsidian, retail $100. So I know a couple of y'all thinking like this shoe looks more black. You know, say it's Georgetown. A lot of people are not familiar with Georgetown College. Okay, so don't try to go off on them. But you don't know what Georgetown College is. A lot of people don't watch college football or college basketball, or not familiar with colleges. So It's not black. It's like a dark obsidian, like a dark shade blue. So in case y'all wondering, like it look black, like wolf gray and black, but it's not. It's not black. Just like y'all know. So we'll get that shoe out. Bang. Here they go, man. Nike Dunk Low, Georgetown joints, man. Here they go. Super clean colorway. Super clean colorway. Can't complain on this shoe, man. I love that dark obsidian outer sole, man, for sure. So like I said, it's not black. It's like a dark obsidian, like a dark blue. I like it a lot though, because it do look black on camera. When you see it, it looks black, but it's not black. When you get them in hand, we start seeing them more. So in case y'all wonder, like, they look black. Go get the other shoe out. Let's get the other shoe out. Put that box aside because it's a personal. You know what I'm saying? Can't throw it all crazy. You know what I'm saying? There you go, man. These joints clean, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, man, but these joints are super clean. Colorway super dope. I just like Nike Dunks, man. They just simple and plain. You can wear them with anything. Very versatile shoe. I'm also gonna start doing that toward like end of the year. So going to next year, I'm gonna start styling up my shoes. You know what I'm saying? So people be asking me all the time on Instagram, like, how do you style like your shoes, your Nike Dunks or whatever? It is off my creativity and my mind, how I think, whatever. So sometimes you don't be afraid to get out your comfort zone when you dressing. So I'm gonna start teaching y'all how to style these certain shoes in case y'all want to, like, how you style this, how you style that. So that will be coming towards the end of this year, for sure, beginning next year, either one. So be on the lookout for that. I'm definitely excited about that for sure. So like I said, it's not like when I'm away, it doesn't mean like I'm thinking about other moves and like I'm just sitting around. Trust me, I'm thinking about other moves to grow my channel, all that good stuff. I also just got monetized for sure, man. So without y'all, you know what I'm saying, I won't even be in the position I am to say that I am monetized now. Well, I'm in the process of getting monetized. I say that. But still, I believe I will get monetized for sure, man. So, like, in the day, it's not even about making money off this stuff at all. It's just the love that I found in this, to be honest. Because at first, I ain't gonna lie, I was really into, you know what I'm saying, doing it for the money. I can say that. But after really getting love of talking about shoes, connecting with new people, you know what I'm saying, just following the whole aspect of the YouTube, it just made me really fall in love with it. So for sure, man. So I appreciate y'all for sure. Always showing love, sports, always, man. Without y'all, I wouldn't be where I am today. So definitely much love to y'all for sure, man. But not for the whole the sad, emotional, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff, man. But just want to show y'all my appreciation, y'all, and give y'all some great news, man. But let's go talk about this shoe right here, man. So we back to, so like I said, Nike Dunk Low Georgetown came out yesterday on the Sneakers app and also coming out on Foot Locker's apps. So on November 10th, that is on a Wednesday. So I'm going to make another video talking about how to cop on the Foot Locker app, champs. And they changed up the whole Foot Locker stuff process too. So we're going to talk about all that in my next video. But let's go ahead and talk about the shoe, man. You see on the outsole, you got your dark Obsidian outsole. Got to that Nike logo right there in the middle. So like I said, this does look black, but it's a dark Obsidian outsole. That means like a dark blue on the outsole. So on the upper, of course, on your midsole, you got your white midsole. Right here on the side panel, you got your dark Obsidian Nike check. Right here on the toe box, you got your wolf gray toe box. Nothing crazy on the Nike Dunk. This is your standardized Nike Dunk leather. You know what I'm saying? Little cheap leather. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say retail for 100. If you get Nike Dunks for retail for 100, you cool. You know what I'm saying? You ain't pay the resale for the Nike Dunks, because like I said, the leather quality on these, same as any other Nike Dunk, you know what I'm saying, standardized. Nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying. And also around the toe box, you got your dark Obsidian toe box right there, if y'all can see that. It doesn't come with any sets of laces. Only comes with your dark Obsidian laces. On the tongue, you got your stitched in wolf gray Nike logo. It looks white, but it's like a wolf gray, like that detail. And on the inside, you got your orange Nike logo on the inside, with your dark Obsidian on the back of the heel as well. It's like a dark blue, like I said beforehand. But like I said, nothing too crazy on the colorway. All that good stuff on the shoe. Like I said, it's a dope colorway. Definitely 10 out of 10 in my personal opinion. Definitely stay in the collection as well. So comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all liking these joints. You're gonna pass on you, like, man, I'm cool. You know what I'm saying? I like too many Nike Dunk Lows coming out, but like I said, I like them though. Nike Dunk Lows look really good when you style them up right. You know what I'm saying? It's a very versatile shoe for sure. You can wear it with anything, and like you get the right colorway like this, you be like, okay, it ain't too bad, man. But Let's go and get this on feet going, man. Like and subscribe if you're new, man. Like I said, I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always, man. Let's go ahead and grow together, man. Let's get to it, man. Gerald one, be right back. Let's get it.
Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoop. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang.
Hey, you will only see some real niggas round me. Gang, gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee. But I'm tryna be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping, dedicated, and they know it. I used to really write the lines like I'm a poet. They say that shit ain't for me, so I stole it. I only rap for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram. On fire like NBA Jam. I don't think that you understand. Somebody come get they mans. You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the hoop. I'm with the gang.
I'm back from my own feet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, I didn't forget. I know somebody commented, you know what I'm saying, how to style. I ain't forget, man. So, I'm going to make another video, not today. You know what I'm saying? I got y'all for sure. You know what I'm saying? How to lace up my Nike Dunk Lows. This is how I tie up my Nike Dunk Lows. I don't tie them up or anything. I just tie them just like this. You know what I'm saying? I don't tie up. To be honest, I don't tie up majority of my shoes. You know what I'm saying? Boom, just tie them up like this. So I'm going to teach y'all how to lace up your Nike Dunk Lows, mids, and the highs. Also in the same with my SB. So that's what 4 different videos. So like I said, man, I got ideas on deck. I ain't been just chilling around. I ain't been doing nothing, ain't thinking about nothing, man. So like I said, if you already didn't, go ahead, follow your boy on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all that stuff down below in the description. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always. Also, I can't forget the size run on these joints. Get your shoe to size, you know what I'm saying? If you wear that size 10, go ahead and get that 10. But if you like a little room in your shoe, you got to like a wide foot, I should say, go and get your half size up. But me, I got a narrow foot, so it works out perfect for me if I get my shoe size, which is 11. But if I get 11 and a half, it's cool. If I get 12, it's going to be over. It's going to be super big. Going to be flopping off my feet. I don't want that at all. So, like I said, Nike Dunks normally run shoe to size. But if you like a little room in your shoe, you don't like your shoes feeling a little snug, go a half size up for sure, man. Definitely. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always. Like I said beforehand, greatness comes with patience. You put your mind to. You definitely can do it. I believe you got to believe in yourself that you can do it, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you follow all my Instagram platforms, my Twitter, my TikTok, all the stuff down below, man. I appreciate y'all showing love, support. Catch y'all another video, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Gerald1 is out. Peace.